What's up, guys? Today we are talking about 5 easy ways to start off the new year right.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to gentslounge. I'm George. This is Blake. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. It really helps us out. And today we are talking about 5 ways to start 2020 off right. So this is our first video that we are filming for the new year, and these are some of the things that we do every year just to kind of start the year off right and get in, you know, just a refresh mindset.
Yeah, so it's like the tricks in the trade of what we do, a little bit of motivation, and just a mindset on what we go into the new year and how we think about it.
Yes, guys. So up first, the first thing I always like to do after the new year is get that first haircut.
Yes, guys.
You know, even if you're not having a great start to the year, getting a good fresh haircut is going to give you that little extra boost of confidence. It's going to make you look a little bit better, make you feel a little bit better, and hopefully, you know, get your year started off on the right track.
A good thing about a haircut, guys, is that it's also going to shave a few pounds just like that. So just think of it as a little trick.
Yes, guys. And I know we usually all get our haircut probably right before Christmas. So, you know, if you get that pre-Christmas haircut, by the time, you know, January 15th rolls around, you are ready for probably the next haircut.
So for 2020, guys, maybe think about starting off the year with one fresh haircut, but also make it a habit of at least every month getting a haircut. Because I've talked to a lot of guys who they don't get a haircut every month. So if you can at least get a haircut once a month for 2020, I think that'd be a great goal. All right, guys, and number 2 on the list is basic grooming, like a pedicure and a manicure.
Yes, guys. So now, if you want to go get a pedicure and a manicure from a shop, go for it. It's much easier. It's very comfortable. It's super relaxing. I remember the first time I went with my wife to get a pedicure, I was like weirded out a little bit, and you know, because it's like a nail salon with all women in there. But then I realized they like give you a foot bath, the chairs massage you, and that's at every place I've ever been to since. It's amazing.
It's super chill. So like George said, that is a little pampering session that you could start out with, or you can get an at-home kit like we have here. Super easy, guys. You could do it yourself.
I definitely say treat yourself at the beginning of the year, but pick up a kit like this on Amazon because you can, you know, always use a little touch up when you can't make it to the nail salon.
Okay, guys. So number 3 is something that I do every year. I always start off the year with a new toothbrush and new mouthwash. Now this year I'm taking it up a notch and I'm doing a full teeth whitening from HiSmile.
So today HiSmile sent over this whitening kit for us. They have actually sponsored this video, but this is something I've always wanted to do and I've never done. I've never done a teeth whitening kit. I've never had the dentist whiten my teeth. I've had the whitening toothpaste and the whitening mouthwash, but I've never done the whole kit.
The whole 9, yeah.
So today we've got this kit from HiSmile. We wanted to test it out, and basically it's super simple. The HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit comes with everything you're gonna need. It comes with a shade guide so you can mark your progress, instructions on how to use everything in the kit, 3 tubes of whitening gel that will last you 6 days, a whitening mouth guard, and a light to enhance the process. Basically, all you need to do is apply the gel, pop it in your mouth, turn the light on, hang out for 10 minutes, and do it for 6 consecutive days to get the best results.
So unlike most whitening strips or teeth whitening at-home kits, this one is super easy and it tells you step by step. And there's even on their Instagram, they tell you step by step. You can go on YouTube to see it step by step. And guys, the best part about it is that this is pain-free. So most other like teeth whitening strips, they hurt.
They make you like super sensitive.
Dude, yes, and like your gums hurt, your teeth hurt.
Right, so the reason you don't get that pain or sensitivity with HiSmile is because they use a peroxide-free whitening formula, which gives you the whitening you want without the pain. Guys, it only takes 10 minutes a day. You can literally do anything while you are whitening your teeth. You can pick out clothes for the day, you can read a book, you can do your hair, you can feed your dog, literally anything. So they also sent over their night and day toothpaste. So the day toothpaste protects your teeth during the day, and then the night toothpaste helps whiten while you sleep. So the reason we put HiSmile into this video and they sponsored this video is because teeth are probably one of the first things people look at when they talk to you. maybe other than your shoes, your teeth and your breath are probably the next thing somebody notices about you. So if you got, you know, a little stained teeth or some bad breath, that's going to be not great to start off the new year with.
Yeah, stanky breath is something that no one wants to have. I think guys, we don't talk about it a lot. I feel like we didn't really speak about it until like the last month till like December, and we were like, you know what, we should do something, you know? I mean, guys just need to speak about it because it's something that it's hygiene, first of all, and everybody remembers somebody who has bad breath. Like I have that friend. Right. I'm sure you have a friend too.
Guys.
Don't be that friend.
I would definitely say, tell your friends if you notice it, because I know, like, we used to have this guy back in college that we would all talk crap about him because we all knew his breath, but no one ever told him.
Dude.
So he never did anything about it because he never knew. Like, it's like some dude, the kid in high school that smells bad. If you don't tell him he smells bad, he's never gonna know he smells bad.
Yeah, I know.
You don't have to say it meanly, you don't have to be mean about it, don't do it in public, but like pull him off to the side, be like, bro.
Let it be known.
Help him out.
Yeah, your breath stinks.
Yes. All right, guys, moving on to the next thing on the list. And it is a new year. Everyone has the New Year's resolutions. Most of those are usually fitness related. So we want to do something for fitness on this list. But if you are already in the gym 24/7, maybe you don't need to start working out more because you already work out enough. But you know, you can add a new pair of gym shoes or a new workout gear to your outfits. Something that makes you feel good, makes you want to go to the gym and keep going to the gym.
I mean, something that George and I have been doing is going to gym together. So this is new for us. Again, we started in December, but we're gonna carry it on through 2020.
Right, guys. So, you know, if you are not going to the gym, I do recommend not starting off with like a 7-day-a-week workout plan. Maybe set a goal to walk around the block or run around the block or run around 2 blocks. You know, start gradually because if you pump yourself up to do like a marathon training and you've never done anything, you're going to, 1, probably hurt yourself, and 2, burn out very, very quickly and realize that it's super, super difficult to jump from 0 to 60 that quick.
Yeah, don't be another negative stat of people who don't continue their workout after that first month.
Right. I mean, if you basically if you set out to work out 1 day a week, you would have 52 workouts in, and I guarantee most of the people that start going 7 days, they do not make it 52 days before they quit.
No way.
So, you know, consistency is more effective than quantity at the beginning. All right, guys, and last but not least, make a list of things you want to accomplish in 2020 to start off the year right. When you write it down and you put it somewhere you can see it, you can know if you accomplished it or not. And it kind of lets you know and gives you a little poke every day that you should be starting to accomplish that. So on my list this year, I want to pick up some of my old hobbies that I kind of lost track of. I want to start playing hockey again. I want to start riding bikes again. I'm going to take a pottery class this year. So I want to do some new hobbies this year. I already signed up for a pottery class, so I got that one knocked out of the way.
So on my list, I want to get more into racing and race cars and get behind the wheel and actually like take it on a track, not just the streets.
All right, guys, comment your goals down below. Maybe we can recap this video at the end of 2020 and we can see what we did and show you what we accomplished, and we'll take pictures of Blake on the track, me making some pots, and you know, how white our teeth are right now. So once again, thank you so much for watching. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, please do that right now. We will have a link to HiSmile down below. Please check them out because sponsors like these really help us out and help our channel to keep producing content and growing as we do. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Cheers.